The one ball, one day beanie. You will be surprised at how quick this is to make up. It's thick, it's got stretch in it, and it looks fabulous on. Using a 20 ply wool or a super chunky wool, I've selected a Rowan's 100% merino wool. It's soft, luxurious, and you'll have this knitted one ball, one day project. Cast on 48 stitches. Start with 6 rows of rib stitch, 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, and then we have a 4-row pattern. Knit for a total of 20 centimeters. This is the right side of your beanie, and the inside or the wrong side of your beanie is our purl stitch. I hope you enjoy knitting this beanie as much as I did. It only took me a day. It was one ball of super chunky wool and it looks fabulous on. Enjoy. For rows 1 and 3, knit. Knit all the way around. Rows 2 and 4 are our pattern rows. Knit 2, purl 4, knit 2. Knit 2 stitches, yarn to the front and towards you. Purl 4 stitches. Yarn to the back. And that completes our pattern for rows number 2 and 4. Continue all the way around. Knit for 20 centimeters. To decrease, we're going to follow the pattern. Purl 2 stitches together, purl 1 stitch, purl 2 stitches together, and you continue all the way around, and this will decrease your stitches. For our second row of decreasing, because we've just completed a row of purl stitches, this one is a knit. Knit all the way around. Row number 3 of our decreasing, knit 2 stitches together all the way around. You'll be left with about 16 stitches on the crown of your beanie. Now it's time to thread these remaining stitches onto a tapestry needle. Gently take each stitch from the needle and thread the yarn through. Turn your beanie inside out. Gently pull together. Oh, and it's done. What a fabulous one day, one ball beanie. It's quick, it's easy, and it looks fantastic. I'm very happy with this one.